In this video, I will show you how you can install Google Classroom in your phone and how to join a class using the class code and how to change your name for the purpose of the Google classes. So first, you can open the Play Store in your phone. So here I'm clicking it. And inside I'll search for Google Classroom. So here it is, and this is the app, how it looks, and you have to install it. So I have already installed it on my phone, and here I can see that I have got the app in my phone. So once you install the app in your phone, you have to click on it and log in with your Gmail ID. So it will ask you to sign in. You can see the 3 dashes on the left hand side, so click on that, and here it will be asking you to enter your Gmail ID, and you can enter and join the app. So once you're inside the app, your teachers will give you a class code. So here I'm going to join a class using a class code. On the right hand side on the top, you can see a plus symbol, so you have to click on that, and it will ask join or create class. So once you click on the plus symbol, you have to be entering into join class, which is on the top. So click on join class, and then it will ask you for the code. So enter the class code which your teachers have given. So here I will enter the code, then I'll click on join, which is on the right hand side top corner, and now I have joined inside the class. So once you go inside the Google Classroom, you can see all the posts, the materials, the PowerPoints, any assignments. There will be assignments, and the answer key will be given, and your attendance will be marked, and every day you'll be having announcements. Every day you'll be having a lot of materials coming in from the teachers in the group. So here you can see on the left hand side at the bottom, stream. So the stream is where all the assignments or anything new that comes will be inside the stream. You can view it inside the stream. So if I go up, I can see the latest things that has been posted today. So today 11/3 they have posted a slide on OBG. So you can click on that and you can open it and view it and download it. So I will show that in another video how to do that. So this is basically how it looks, and to see all these things organized, now you can see that in streams it's all going down, and a lot of things are there inside, all mixed up. So if you want to see all these things organized, next to the stream you can see class work. So if you click on class work, you can see under the headings all the things that has been posted. So here first there is the daily attendance, and then the subject wise the topics are there, and all the things that are posted inside those subjects are there. So I can open any material I want, and I can view the material by clicking the link. And so now for you to know what is the latest thing, assignments that you have pending, or what's new for you, you can see on the top right hand side corner there is a photo frame like icon. So you can click on that. It's called your work. So if you click on that, you will know all that work that's pending for you. So clicking on that, I can see my name and the task that has been assigned with the due date. So there are no due dates, but it has been assigned and I have not done it. The attendance is here, if I click on that, so you'll be having a attendance like this, a questionnaire like this with the attendance, like mentioning the heading is attendance, and you will have to select your college name from inside that. So that is how you're supposed to do it. So click on the college name, and if you put handed in, which means your attendance will be marked for the day. And so here if I click on hand in, my attendance will be marked, and then you won't be able to make any changes once you have submitted your attendance. And is submitted. So now the problem with this attendance is that if you see next to the classwork, you can see the people, that is all the teachers and all the students inside this class. So if you click on that, I'm clicking on people. Inside people, you can see, if you scroll up, you can see teachers. Under that you can see the headings of all the teachers, and then classmates, that is all the other students. You can see their names of your friends inside the class. Now since this Google Classes are created not only for your college but also for 2-3 colleges together, they have asked us to change our names in the front and mention the college name in the front. So that will be since this list is being sorted out by the alphabetical order, so all those so here R, so all coming under R will be coming in one category. So it is easy for the teachers to see your name and mark your attendance and see who is absent. So for that purpose they have asked you to change your name. So here I will show you how to change your name. So what you can do is, on the left hand side on the top you can see 3 dashes, so click on that, and you can see your Gmail ID and your name. So they want you not to change the Gmail ID but the name on the top. In front of that they want you to add your college name. So here I'll show you how to do it. So first click on your name, and it will show manage your Google account. So click on manage your Google account, and this page will open, and here you can see home. Next to that you can see personal information. So click on personal information, and it will show you your photo and your name. So under name, click on name, and it will ask you for a verification code because you're editing your profile. So you click on send, and you will get the verification code to your phone. Will enter the verification code, and here it shows me the box where I can click on this pencil icon, and it will ask your first name and second name. So what you have to do is, where our first name is there, in front of that type your college name and put a space, and that's all, and put done. So then your name will be changed, and wherever your name appears, it will be appearing with this your college name in the front. So if you go back, you can close this. So here also you can see that your name has been changed. Now when the teachers look at your name, they will be seeing your college name in front of you. So that is how you can change your name. Thanks for watching.